That I explained you about the ears now. Our ears help us to hear, Nana. They are on either side of our head, and outer part of the ear is called pinna. When you go deep, here we have ear canal. Okay, on the at the end of the ear canal we have eardrum. Sound travels from pinna to auditory canal. Nana. When these vibrations reaches eardrum, it sends messages to the middle ear. Here we have three small bones. In that steps is the smallest bone. That vibrations from these bones it carries to the inner ear. Here it is completely filled with fluid. So due to that vibrations here, it creates some waves like structures, and they send messages to the brain with the help of auditory nerve. Okay, finally this auditory nerve carries the vibrations to the brain. The brain analyzes the vibrations and send signals to the ear again. Okay, after that we discussed about nose. We all know our nose have two nostrils. We are able to breathe with the help of nostrils. Air enters into the lungs with the help of nostrils only. On the surface of the nose we have nerve endings. They are called olfactory nerves. The nerve endings are nerves which are present on the nose are called olfactory nerves. They send messages to the brain and we are able to smell, and the sense of smell and taste are linked together. That is why whenever we are not feeling well, means when we are whenever we are suffering with cold, our tongue can't detect the taste properly. Okay, next one, the next sense organ is tongue. Okay, it is in the oral mouth, nana, inside the mouth. Okay, on the tongue there are some nerve endings. They are called taste buds. On the surface of the tongue we have taste buds. These taste buds help us to taste the food. They detect the taste of sweet, sour, salt, bitter. All these major tastes are tested by the taste buds. Okay, na? Identify all these tests are identify the taste buds. Okay, these nerve cells carry the message to the brain, and the brain analyzes and send message to the tongue again back. Next one, we all know skin. It covers the entire body. It is the largest sense organs. On the skin we have tiny pores. They are called nerve endings. What they are doing, they are releasing the liquid waste from the body. They carry the liquid waste. They send the liquid waste out of the body. And also whenever we feel cold or hot, all these senses are carried to the brain with the help of these nerve endings. Okay, this is the structure of the skin. Now, the next one I explained is how to take care of our sense organs. We all know eyes are very delicate. Okay, they help us to see. Without eyes we can't spend our life properly. So we should take care of our eyes. How should not read in dim or bright light, and do not rub your eyes, and wash your eyes at least 2 times per day with clean and fresh water. Do not lie down and read. And as I know, next one, protect your eyes against the sharp objects, and do not watch television or computers for long hours. If it is there any eye problem, immediately we have to check the eye doctor. The next one are ears. Ears should be protected from hard blows. Okay. We should not expose to the loudspeakers, Nana. First thing, this loud noise disturbs the eardrum. Okay, they damage the eardrum. We should never try to prick our ears with toothpicks or matchsticks, or hair pins. Should not keep hair pins or matchsticks into the ear. They damage the eardrum. Okay, they cause and also they causes some infections. Okay, next one, skin. I already explained it releases the liquid waste out of the body, so we should clean our body thoroughly. Okay, on our skin we have sweat, dead skin, dirt and bacteria. All these can get removed by the skin by bathing only. That is why regular cleaning is required for the skin. If it is any cut or bruise on the skin, should be treated properly, Nana. Okay, should not neglect the wounds. Next one, nose. We should blow our nose every day to keep it clean. Every day we are brushing for 2 times, no? At the same time we should blow our nose. If it is there any dust or hard particles, it comes out of the nose. and should not keep fingers, pencils, any matchsticks like objects should not poke into the nose. Okay, next one, tongue. Our tongue help us to taste. That is why should not eat too much of cold and too much of hot food. They damage the taste bud if we eat that. And with the help of tongue cleaner, we should clean our tongue. Okay. If we not clean, no, what happened? Germs will breed on that and they damage the teeth and tongue. After that, I explained textual exercise and everything. Try to open the textbook and very, very important, read the lesson. If you have any doubt, please message to me. I'll clear your doubt.